Hey y'all, still wanted to do a little bit of an update for today. It is already almost 8 p.m, so it is getting quite late. But let's have a look around over here. I'm currently in the Rincón area. Casino is right over there. And there are plenty of shops around over here, but I'm heading towards the beach, seeing over there where it's still very busy. Had a very busy day as well. But still wanted to get that nice view over there from the beach over the Levante Beach, watching Benidorm. Sunset is gonna happen as well within probably half an hour. But don't know I'm gonna wait that one out. Still need to get some groceries as well. Ooh, they got ice cream over here. One scoop $3.50. Wow, that is quite expensive. $3.50 for an ice cream. Definitely more affordable places around here. All those shops over there. Hardly anyone now. Most people are having dinner somewhere already. And I should do as well. So it has been quite a hot day today. 33 degrees. Temperature will drop tonight towards 26. And tomorrow will be another plus 30 degrees day over here in Benidorm. That's beautiful. It will stay like that for the rest of the week. There's no rain or anything in the forecast. So that looks beautiful from now on. Plenty of people that are walking back from the beach. But I think it could be still quite busy out there. As well, even now during daytime, many people decide to head back quickly to the hotel or anything, to the apartment, and then return in the afternoon again, later on in the afternoon. So like after 4 for spending some time at the beach when the sun goes a little bit more down. Or they go for some food like over here, for a national. Whoa, it's really busy in there. What a load of people around. Nearly there. Levante Beach is literally a 2-minute walk from the Mediterranean, where I just started. Yeah, plenty of people that are leaving the beach. But it looks already like it's still quite busy out there. I can see the jet ski already, the cable ski thingy, with a completely filled platform as well. Wow, really busy up there. And that's not the only thing. Still quite a crowd that enjoys Benidorm right now. First I'll show you guys the bars over here on the left, which we got. Got the Rica's Beach Bar, some people getting ready for the sunset for tonight, grabbing a nice cocktail or a nice cold drink. Stag and Pheasant, I believe they do food as well. And even wild duck, quite popular, yeah, today. But what I came here for is this beautiful view over here from Benidorm. And wow, yeah, you can still see the bit of a haze that has been hanging around town for like a few days already in the sky. I don't know what it is, but at least it keeps the sun a little bit down, because if it wasn't here today, it would have been even hotter. It was already a really hot day out. Thankfully there was a bit of a breeze, but nothing major or anything, and right now it has died down completely, as you can see, for the waves over here. No breeze at all. Even the palm trees, nothing at all. Only thing we have is loads of people around. It's a beautiful skyline like this, and I think it's gonna be an amazing sunset as well. But it's still quite high up, so I'm not gonna wait that one out. Instead of that, just let's have a walk around a bit towards there. So we get a bit of an idea of the vibe here currently. And as well, guys, don't forget, do give a like. And as well, please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. And I really do appreciate everyone who has subscribed already. So make sure you're one of them to keep following on these updates here from Benidorm Daily. Thank you. Oh wow, even from here it looks even busier. I see it through there. I think you can still do all those water sports, but I'm currently not seeing anyone on a jet ski or anything. Let's see, are they still open? Cable ski is at least. Don't know for how long. They still, the rentals are still open. No parasailing going on. Yeah, more people are heading towards the restaurants right now. Or they might wait for the sunset to enjoy that one while the temperature slowly drops a little bit. Parasailing, oh, it is still open. You can still get it if you want it over here. Pricing is, parasailing is 80 euros. Wow. Per person then, and the more you go, the cheaper it gets. Speedboat tours. Hey mate. Jet skiing, 100 euros, 2 people. It's quite affordable. Lovely walking out here. I wish I did had a bit more time to walk all the way towards the end and then slowly on back. But supermarkets are closing, I believe at 10. Want to head towards the Lidl quickly. Get my main groceries in. Beautiful around like this. Oh, the park over here on the right is closed. Or at least this gate one. This gate over here is. Oasis Beach Club right behind it is open. Nothing to worry about. That one over there is open. Beautiful evening. Over here, this restaurant is right now is already completely filled up. And Sunday night I did a walk that started around here, and it was already after midnight. And then it was still full, even after midnight. was really busy around as well, and I don't expect actually anything less for tonight over here. Of how the evening will go. I think it will get only busier and busier. Many people now getting some food and then going for a nice stroll along the promenade over here. Nice vibe over here as well, these bars. Really beautiful out, especially if you're sitting here with the palm trees looking out over the skyline of Benidorm. It's beautiful. Curious how the sunset will look like tonight, but unfortunately don't got any time probably I'll have to be in the supermarket when that happens. So thank you everyone for watching again. Definitely make sure to hit that like button if you haven't yet, do subscribe, and I'm gonna head towards the supermarket, and if you're curious to see how Benidorm looks like after midnight, then make sure you check out this video over here. And have a great evening everyone, bye bye.